Welcome back to the video, guys. All my returning subscribers, new viewers, new followers, you all are welcome to the channel. So guys, in this video I'll be making a live withdrawal from this very website known as Queentask. I'm going to be making a live withdrawal from this platform right now. What this platform is totally all about is actually an investment platform, and you make some profits on daily basis after investing some amount of money and perform some simple tasks in the platform. Those simple tasks are, mere clicking of a few buttons and the task is done or completed within a few seconds or a few minutes, as the case may be. So guys, in this video I'm going to be making a live withdrawal right now, guys. But then before I do that, kindly smash the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed, and also turn on your bell notification for subsequent updates, guys. Right now I'm going to be making a live withdrawal, but then I'll also have to first of all show you guys the salary descriptions, what you stand to earn per VIP package you choose to purchase, guys. So I'm going to be making a live withdrawal, but first of all let me click on salary descriptions. Let's also take a look at the salary descriptions, what you stand to earn per each VIP package you choose to invest in, guys. So having clicked on salary descriptions, it brought me to this very page where I am right now. So for the VIP one, these letters are actually very small, but when you come to this very page, once you sign up and come to this very page by clicking on the very first link down there in the description box of this video, once you sign up, guys, you can read these things through. The VIP one recharge USDT gives you 1 USDT, and the recharge is 1.3 USDT on the very first day. Once you recharge 3 USDT, you are going to be earning, for the very first day you're going to be earning 1.3 USDT, and every other day you are earning 0.3 USDT. That's like 10% of whatever you invest in this site is what you're earning, guys. But on the very first day they pay you higher than that. They pay you way higher than that. So for the VIP 2, the recharge is 15 USDT. That is to purchase the VIP 2, and that gives you 2 USDT, and which can be withdrawn. But you're going to be receiving on the very first day, guys, you're going to be receiving 3.5 USDT on the very first day, and earns 1.5 USDT every other day. Then for the VIP 3, you are funding account with 75 USDT, and that gives you the very first day 17.8 USDT on the very first day, and earns you 7.5 USDT every other day. And this actually lasts for the period of 365 days for the VIP 2 downwards. That's for period of 365 days. But for the VIP 1, guys, it's only valid for 15 days only valid for 15 days. That means if you want it to be more valid for you, you may have to consider joining the VIP 2 or the VIP 3 down to the VIP 8. So let's not make it to be too long. When you look at the VIP 8, that's recharging with up to 20,005 USDT, and that gives you 505 USDT. You are receiving about 4,556 USDT, yeah, on the very first day, and you're going to be earning 4,001 USDT every other day from this site. That's what this site promised, guys. Then the reward you're going to be earning when you invite friends to get cash, invite friends to enjoy tier 3 rebates. That is 3 levels of commission, guys. Your direct referrals, your indirect, the second generation referrals. When the first people you refer that's the second generation referrals, you're going to be earning something from them as well. And the third generation referrals, you're going to be earning something there as well. So when you invite friends to join the 3 rebates commission, that's 12% top-up bonus for A-level members, then 2% top-up bonus for B-level members, and 1% top-up bonus for C-level members. So when you invite people and they recharge their accounts, you're going to be getting 12% of whatever amount they recharge. Then For the second generation referrals, that's 2% top up bonus. Then the third generation referrals, 1% top up bonus. That's it on that aspect. And reward 3, form a team to get a cash. When you build your own team on this platform, you can get more, you can make more money as well. Okay, so that's quite simple. Just come to this very page, take your time and look at their rewards levels on this very place, on this very page. So guys, we're going to be clicking on the withdrawal right now. I'm going to be placing a live withdrawal before I continue with any other thing I may have to talk about in this video. So let me click on withdrawal in order to place my withdrawal and receive money in Binance. Okay, but then I have not shown you guys one more thing I needed to show you before clicking on that withdrawal. Before then, you can look at the VIP, guys. When you look at the VIP, I just went into the withdrawal page already, but I want to show you my balance here before I make any withdrawal. So guys, on this very page, you can see my current status on this very page, guys. You can see I'm to perform only 10 tasks, guys. 10 tasks, and I'm going to be performing that quickly. Then place withdrawals, 10 tasks, current status. Then that is the current status is for the VIP one. So I'm going to be performing 10 tasks for the VIP one, guys. That's my current status. So once you fund the account on this very platform, it is automatically going to land you on the current status you're supposed to find yourself. So I'm going to be performing a task, some task I'm supposed to perform on this platform right now. So once I perform that task, I show you my live withdrawal. I do the live withdrawal immediately, guys. Then once I do the live withdrawal, then I will explain just any other thing I want to conclude on this video. So right now, let me click on the VIP one right here on the home page right here, guys, to perform the VIP one task. So keep watching as we are going to conclude this video very soon. So guys, once you come on this very page, having clicked on VIP one, you click on any, these are the tasks on this platform. So I'll be clicking on the very first one right here. Once I click on it, I click on submit. Payment successful. That's just, you can see how simple the task is. So I go back again. I have to go back again and repeat the process, guys. I'll do the same thing again. So I'm not going to make the video to be too long and that's boring. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to perform some task, I'm going to perform some task without showing it on the video. I have performed the very first one. So I'm going to perform the second one again, show it on the video, then perform the rest without showing it. I'm going to cut those parts so that I'm not going to make the video to be too long for you guys. So I'm going to perform the second task right now. Once I perform the second task, I'll complete the rest. Then I won't show the rest of the task in this very video, but I'm going to show you guys the live withdrawal. So I'm going to cut that part that I'm not going to, the part that the part of completing the rest of the task. I'm not going to include it on the video so that the video will not have to be too long. So I'm going to continue with the rest of the task. Then for the rest of the task, I will do them without including them on this video right now. So guys, I'll be back in the next 1 minute. In the next 1 minute, guys. So guys, I'm back again, guys. As you can see, I'm done performing the task, and as you can see right here, my balance here has increased from 4.3 USDT, sorry, from 4 USDT to 4.3 USDT, guys. I hope you guys are seeing it, 4.3 USDT. So the next thing I want to do right here now is to click on withdrawal in order to withdraw my profits from this site. So remember I told you guys on the very first day with the VIP one package, you have to be collecting 1.3 USDT on the very first day, guys. You're collecting 1.3 USDT on the very first day. So what I'm going to do right now, having clicked on withdrawal, is to add your withdrawal method. So I'm going to be clicking on add it now, the withdrawal method. All right, add withdrawal method. You can only bind one withdrawal method. For the safety of your funds, the withdrawal address will be locked automatically after your first withdrawal, guys. after your very first withdrawal, after your very first successful withdrawal, the withdrawal address will be locked automatically, so it cannot be edited. Make sure you copy the right address and paste in this platform. The withdrawal address cannot be deleted or modified again. Please contact customer service if there is any challenges required. So what I'm going to do right now is to add the withdrawal method by clicking on add withdrawal method. So guys, I'm going to be going to the Binance quickly right now to copy my USDT TRC20 wallet address from Binance, and I'm going to paste it in this site right now. All right, so we are in Binance right now, so I'm just going to click on deposit because I'm going to depositing my USDT to Binance. I'm going to be depositing it to Binance. So clicking on deposit, I select USDT, and because I'm funding USDT TRC20, I select TRC20 as a network, and I come right here and click on copy. Just tap on it, guys. This is USDT TRC20 wallet address. I tap on copy, wallet address copied. I quickly move back to the site right now and paste this USDT TRC20 wallet address. Network type USDT TRC network TRC20. So right here, please enter network address. I'll be pasting this wallet address right here right now, guys. So what I do right now is to input the withdrawal password. Remember when I did my registration, I input my withdrawal password. I input my withdrawal password, okay, but though I didn't show you guys the registration part of it. So once you are registering, you must input your withdrawal password. Your withdrawal password will be shown to you on the registration page when you are registering, because your withdrawal password is only the password you're going to be using to withdraw your money from the site, which is different from your login password. You're going to be seeing all those things in the registration. It's actually a very simple process. It requires no difficulty. All right, so what I'm going to do right here now is to input my withdrawal password right now. So now, having typed my withdrawal password, I will click on submit. Changed successfully. So what I'm going to do right now is to go ahead and place my withdrawal. I'll have to place my withdrawal right now and easily, and in a few minutes time I'll be getting it in Binance, in fact immediately. So once you go back and click on withdrawal, you're going to see yourself now on the proper withdrawal page. So you can see 1.3 USDT amount. I will have to input the amount. Please enter the withdrawal amount. You input 1.3 USDT. Then the payment password, guys. Please enter the payment password. The payment password, which is my withdrawal password, guys. So I'm going to be doing that right now, inputting it on this same page in order to proceed with my withdrawal. All right, having done that, guys, the next thing I do is to click on submit. Application for withdrawal successful. That's completed, guys. It's now completed, guys. So in a few minutes time now, I'll be receiving this money straight in Binance. So I'll be showing you guys the withdrawal proof right now. So before I show you guys with the withdrawal proof, once you want to make a deposit on this site, what you just have to do is to come to the home page right here. Come to the home page, click on home, and on the home page you see recharge, which is beside the withdrawal. You can withdraw your money on the home page, via the home page, or by clicking on mine here. So in whichever part you want to use to withdraw, is still the same process. So I click on recharge. Once you click on recharge, you'll be able to send your money to this very site. Click on recharge, guys. All right, having clicked on recharge, as you can see right now on this very page, the wallets, you can see now copy wallet address. This is the wallet address to send your funds to. Once you tap on it and copy it, the next thing you have to do is to send your money to this site. Once you send it, guys, now come on this same page and click on submit. Once you click on submit, boom, you're going to see the amount you recharged on your dashboard on your account. You're going to see it on your account right here by clicking on mine right here. So immediately now I'm going to show you guys my withdrawal proof from this side, because I know you guys are waiting for me to show you this withdrawal proof. So I'll be showing it to you right now in Binance. So guys, let's quickly go to Binance and see my withdrawal proof from this site. If this money I withdrew has actually reflected in Binance right now. So let's quickly take a look and see overview. Okay, now the deposit of USDT is completed 44 seconds ago. So guys, as you can see, this money has actually reflected in Binance 44 seconds ago. So once I click on the arrow beside it right here, let's see. You can see now, guys, you can see clearly 1.3 USDT received. 1.3 USDT received. As you can see, I've actually received this money in Binance immediately. So if you want to see more details about it, on this same page, if you know how to use Binance very well, on this same page, I'm going to show you guys the withdrawal history right now, because the withdrawal history also carries the date and everything about the transaction that you do. So on the withdrawal history, you're going to see the 1.3 USDT deposit of 1 USDT completed, 1.3 USDT completed, 22/10/2026. This same time I'm recording this video. As you can see, guys, I've actually received this money in Binance. So guys, as you can see, I've actually placed my withdrawal request and I received this money in Binance immediately. This site is actually same day deposit and same day withdrawal. So to get started, you can click the very first link down there in the description box of this video to get started. And kindly note that I am not an investment advisor and I shall not be responsible for your financial decisions or whatever decision you want to take or you take on this very website. I shall not be responsible for your decisions about the websites discussed in this video. Kindly do your own research if you want to do your own research. If you don't want to do your own research, you can go ahead and take the risk. But do know that everybody is responsible for their own financial decisions. I shall not be responsible for your financial decisions. Thank you guys for watching. I would love to see you in the next video.